This video training covers the maintenance section of the Vessel Service Solutions application. Management has full access to this section and controls what the deckhands and captains are allowed to view, edit, or delete. There are two parts to the maintenance section: the maintenance log and the maintenance schedule. The maintenance schedule should be completed first before adding any logs. This view is sorted by boat and shows the maintenance types for each of the components on those boats. You can see at a glance the interval as well as the automatic calculated percentage until the next maintenance based on either hours or the date. You can filter this information by boat or click the All button to see all boats. To edit any of the information in this section, you need to click on the pencil next to the component to be edited and make any changes and click Save. You'll be prompted to determine if you want to reset the next maintenance progress to 0. To add a new schedule log, click the New Schedule Log button, choose the boat. You will notice right away there are several fields that are required and some that are not. The component list is determined by what is set in the preferences for that particular boat. If you add a component here, then it will show up in the New Schedule Log option for that boat. Choose the maintenance type and the interval, which is based on the units of days or hours. Click Save and choose your schedule date. It is now added to your maintenance log schedule. To delete a scheduled entry, click the red X and choose yes or no for that entry. The maintenance log section also has filters on the top, starting with the date range. You can choose any range which changes the start and end date, or you can customize them by clicking in each of the dates and clicking in the white space. You can also filter by boat, which is in addition to filtering by the actual date. Click the All button to see all boats, and if you want to edit any of the information for a maintenance log entry, click the pencil next to that entry, make any changes, and click Save. You can also cancel if you don't want to save those changes. To create a new maintenance log, click the New Maintenance Log button. Note the required fields. You can change the date if needed. Choose the correct boat. Enter the engine hours. Choose the component and who performed that specific maintenance. You can also enter a cost if this is a one-time maintenance and click Save. You always have the option to cancel if needed and change. You may need to reset the filters to see your maintenance entry. To delete a maintenance log schedule, click the red X next to the item and choose yes or no. This ends the maintenance section of the video training for Vessel Service Solutions application. Check out our other videos to see training on those sections.